7. It is our last day, last half day, 3/4 of a day in Iceland, and we wanted to end things with a bang because we're not going to be here for another year or maybe more. The last adventure on this trip is going to be the second tallest waterfall in all of Iceland, Glymur Falls. So it is 7:50 a.m. and we are unfortunately not the first people here. We are the third group of cars, but that's a good thing because that means there's not going to be many people along this route. It's a 7-kilometer loop or out and back, roughly 4.3 miles. So it'll take us maybe 2 hours, and our hotel checkout is at noon. So we're going to try and rush things. But as you know, we love to dilly-dally, so it's going to take us a little longer, and that's why we got here as early as we possibly could. So, without further ado, let's begin the hike. We're entering private property. First, a little stop in the cave. Oh boy. So we're here at Glymur Falls. This is the second tallest waterfall in all of Iceland. Don't forget, folks, life is fleeting. And in a couple of years, this might not even be here anymore. So if you can get out to it, please go and see it. Of course, always be respectful of nature and Iceland. And it's getting cold, so I think we're gonna head back now. As we start to approach the parking lot, I just want to give a couple of helpful tips in case you're curious about doing this hike. First off, if you are feeling a little ambitious, from the entrance, take the Glymur path this way, and at the first split off, go left. You will have to traverse a river barefoot. If you want to do the crossing over the log first, take the path that goes towards the right. Another thing is that it is now 10 a.m. and there are now more than 3 cars. There are about 20 cars. So get here by or before 8 o'clock a.m. All right, we made it back to the hotel from Glymur Falls, and we are showered, packed up. Look at that, so clean, ready to go for our showers until our flight. So what we're gonna do before we head to the airport is we're gonna head to Keflavik and hope to grab some food and maybe catch one or two sights before finally departing. All right, we are in Garthor, which is the coastal town just north of Keflavik. And before we leave, there's one little thing that we have to do again. One little thing. Trampoline! Alright folks, that's gonna do it for this long Icelandic adventure. If you're sticking around till this last video, thank you. Drop some comments, give us some feedback. Let me know what I can do better. First video, I'm experimenting, so I hope you guys did enjoy this long-winded Icelandic tour. And I hope you guys get to visit. Let me know what your experiences are. And until next time, peace out.